Hello everyone. Before start this video, let me tell you our channel name has changed. Now it became Analytics Pro, which is short and crisp. And I would also like to tell you the reason of changing this channel name. So when I started this channel, I thought I will only teach Power BI. But as you know guys, now we are also learning SQL related stuff and I will add more analytical video, which surely gonna help you to improve your analytical skills. And now let's start this tutorial. So our today's class topic is custom tooltip. So before start this custom tooltip guys, firstly we have to understand what is tooltip. So tooltip is an elegant way of providing contextual information and detail to the data points on a visual. In simple words, we can say that once we hover our mouse any of the visual, we can see the details of specific thing that is known as tooltip. And now let's talk about the custom tooltip. So custom tooltip provides context and information for users, which you can view on the visual. Custom tooltips enable to specify more data points display as a part of this tooltip. So let me take you to the report view and understand the difference of tooltip and custom tooltip. So let's go to our Power BI desktop screen. So here we have entered in Power BI desktop window. And here we can see we have created a small report. And let's suppose guys, if I want to see any specific information about any specific value, so what can I do? I can simply hover my mouse anywhere under this report. And this time I want to see how many total runs scored in India. So what I'll do, I'll simply go here under this pie chart and hover my mouse here under India country, which written in purple color. And I can clearly see in India country sum of runs is 8047. And we can also see the percentage, which is 14.1%. In a similar way, if I hover my mouse anywhere in any graph to see any specific information, so I can clearly see in the month of June, the total score is 5468, which is 2023 quarter 2. So this is known as tooltip. And before an update, we can't make any formatting here under this tooltip. But after an update, you guys can also format this tooltip. For example, if you want to change any color, size, text and so on, you can simply go to the formatting pane and change the formatting of the tooltip. So let's take a quick example. So before that guys, you need to select any of the visual in your report. So let's suppose I will select this country by runs visual. And now go here in this formatting pane. And here we can see visual formatting and general. So you need to select this general one. And here we can clearly see the option of tooltips. So if you turn off this toggle button of tooltip and if you go anywhere in the visual, so you will not able to see any tooltip information because we have turned off the toggle button of tooltip. And now let me turn it on again and expand this tooltip feature. And now let me scroll it down and here we guys can see we have text option, we have background option. And if you expand this text option guys, so here we can see the same formatting feature like increase the size, you can change the font style of the tooltip. You can also change the label color from here. Let's say I'll take it as blue. And the value color would be, let's say, yellow. And now if I hover my mouse here, so I can see the value color and the label color has changed with increased size. And if you want to change the background of this tooltip, so here under this background guys, you guys can also change the background. Let's say I'll take it as orange color. And now we can see the background has also changed. And now let me again change the background color. Let's say white. So in this way, you guys can also format your normal tooltip. And now let's talk about custom tooltip. So the custom tooltip means to expand the detailed information in the form of charts and other visual. That means if I hover my mouse anywhere in the visual, so I can see my own customized visual instead of this normal tooltip. So we can also create this requirement in Power BI with the help of custom tooltip. So to create this custom tooltip guys, we have to follow few steps. And now let's create a custom tooltip. So firstly you need to go here under this new page. And now you need to go with this formatting your report page. So firstly guys, you will get this option which name is page information. So once you expand this page information, here you will get the option of allow use as tooltip. So you need to turn on this toggle button. And the moment you click on this toggle button, you can see this small box with dotted line. That means this is the size of your tooltip. And if you want to adjust your size of your tooltip, so what you need to do, go here under this canvas setting. So from here under this drop down, you can also adjust the size of your tooltip. So if I select 16:9, then your tooltip will set on the entire page. But I don't want to create my tooltip by 16:9 ratio. I want to create my tooltip with this smaller size. And after making these size adjustment, you need to go here in this visuals. And now let's add some visual here under this custom tooltip. So firstly I want to display one card visual. So I will take this card from here and make it resize. And here under this card visual guys, I will take sum of runs. So I will select this and drop it here. And from here guys, I will adjust my value of the card. Let's say 20. And I will also change the font style. And from here guys, I can also change the color. So this is my card visual. In a similar way, you guys can add more visual here under this tooltip. And let's say I will take this stack column chart here. And under stack column chart guys, I want to display country wise runs. So in a similar way, you guys can take more and more graphs here under this tooltip. And now I am taking this pie chart. And now let me resize it. So here under this pie chart guys, I want to display cricketer names wise runs. So these are the three visuals guys which I have taken under my customized tooltip. So guys, I need to delete this title of this pie chart. So what I'll do, I'll simply go here and go to general and turn off this title. And I also want to turn off this detailing and the legends. So I'll simply go here in this visual and turn off this legend and detail label. So this is my custom tooltip guys. But if I go here and hover my mouse, still we can see the same tooltip, which is normal one. So the question is how we can enable this custom tooltip which we have created in page 2. So what you need to do guys, simply go here under this report page. So firstly guys, you need to select any of the visual and go to the formatting pane and go to general settings. And simply we need to expand this tooltip button. And now let me scroll it down, and from here guys, you will get to see the option of page. So simply select this drop down guys and select page 2, which is here. And now if you go here under this visual, so I can see the same tooltip which we have created in page 2. And it will only showing the detailed information of this particular country, which is Pakistan. So the total sums of run is 16k by Pakistan. In a similar way, you guys can see any detailed information of any of the country. But this is only for this specific visual. And if you hover your mouse in any other visual, it will show you the normal tooltip. And if you also want to see the same custom tooltip here under this visual guys, so again you need to follow the same step. Simply select this visual, go to the formatting and general setting, and from page guys, you need to select the second page, which is page 2. And now I can also see the same tooltip here under this visual. So I hope you guys are good with this concept of custom tooltip. So for such kind of detailed learning guys, stay connect with us and kindly support this channel. And those who are visit first time on this channel, kindly like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press this bell icon guys, else you will miss an regular updates. And those who wants to learn free Power BI from scratch, so here we have this free YouTube channel guys, which name is Analytics Pro. Yes guys, you heard it right. We have changed the channel name. And here under this 50 tutorials guys, I have explained each and every concept in detail. And now if you click here on this playlist button, so you guys can see multiple playlists are here. So we have full course playlist, we have advanced topics of Power BI, we have visualization playlist, DAX playlist, update playlist, and we also have Power BI with SQL playlist, where you guys can learn deep knowledge about SQL. And you guys can also start your journey of SQL with this free YouTube channel. And for the job seekers guys, we have this free Telegram group. where I'm keep posting latest Power BI jobs opening, as well as you will also find some latest interview question and answers which recently asked by an interviewer. So you don't need to pay anything to anyone for jobs and trainings. But if you still think guys you require paid training sessions, so I am also providing one-on-one paid training sessions. And from day 1 class guys, I prepare for you interview rounds with some real-time scenarios and projects. So you guys can connect me on LinkedIn or Telegram channel. And we also have Instagram account guys. So you guys can simply search Shubham_Power BI. So thank you so much guys for your more love and support. Keep learning and keep growing. Thank you so much.